Syncing your billing and shipping addresses is now easier than ever with FlexOrder. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type FlexOrder. Once it appears, click Install, and then activate the plugin. Next, go to the FlexOrder settings page. Scroll down until you see two options: Display Billing Address and Display Shipping Address. Enable both. As soon as you turn them on, you'll see a bunch of address field options appear. Things like street, city, state, postcode, and so on. The free tier gives you exactly the right amount of information you need to stay on top of your orders. Save your changes and go back to your Google Sheet. You can see the address are now gathered up in a cell. But if you want this in a more organized way, go back to Settings, scroll back up a little, and look for the option that says Use separate columns for showing shipping and billing information. Enable this and save your changes. Now, go over to your Google Sheet. Previously, billing and shipping addresses were often crammed into a single cell. But with these new settings enabled, each address field now shows up in its own separate column. That means you can filter, sort, and analyze your data much more easily. To take full advantage of the address syncing feature, make sure you activate the Pro version of FlexOrder. This gives you better control over how order data is displayed. You can activate email, phone, address line 2, and many more, and can see the changes in the Google Sheets again. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more FlexOrder tips and WordPress automation tricks.